Hello class. For some of you this is going to be new information. For some it's just to review. We're going to go through over reading the treble clef and the bass clef for the classes who have already covered that. First thing we need to know is how many lines in a staff. Show me. I hope I see a bunch of people flashing 5. Remember, not 4 3/4, but 5. There are 5 lines in a staff. When we have the treble clef, just as the video showed for kindergarten first and for the others, we go have the lines and the spaces. Special things for us to remember. The lines are, someone help me out? All right, very good. Every good boy does fine are the lines. Every good boy does fine. And the spaces? I know you know it. Yes. Spaces. Oop, there's a line. Spaces are F, A, C, E. F, A, C, E spells face. Remember, face are the spaces. Now let's go to bass clef. How many lines? Yes, the staff has 5. And when we add our treble clef and our bass clef, that makes our grand staff. I know I'm writing pretty messy. I'm in a hurry today. I didn't take enough time to do this earlier, and so I'm in a rush. So we have that grand staff that marks the 2. Now, on the bass clef, we also have that pneumatic device that reminds us, what are the lines? All right, for kindergarten and first, you haven't heard this information yet, so here you go. Are you ready? Good boys do fine always. Good boys do fine always. And the spaces? I know you know it. All cows eat grass. Now I know some of you like to say grain. Some of you like just to say ACE-G, however you can remember it. But it's A, all cows eat grass. Now I know I'm doing this messy and I'm sorry that I'm in a rush. But remember, every good boy does fine are the lines, face, the space. Good boys do fine always are the lines on the bass clef. And ACE-G, all cows eat grass or green. Now for those of you getting ready to take a note test, keep this in mind. Remember, put it in your mind. I hope you guys have a great break. That is a break from me. I'll see you on Wednesday.